Hey, I think आज बहुत दिनों के बाद I'm connecting to myself and to you on this platform. I don't know, पिछले कुछ वीडियोस जो मैंने पोस्ट करे उनमें बहुत ही लिमिटेड लाइक्स या फिर बोलूँ मैं व्यूज़ आए एंड आई काइंड ऑफ गॉट डीमोटिवेटेड. मुझे लगा कि if I'm getting so like such little views, then I don't know, is this really for me? And somehow in my mind, back of my mind, मैंने videos बनाना जो I really want to, because I think this is the best platform to share my learnings, my knowledge with people out there who really need it. I have started procrastinating making videos. Mind में आ भी रहा था तो I was like type of चलो यार छोड़ते हैं ना. This happened to me, and this is something which I have already shared and discussed with you. Is that not see, I wasn't lazy, I was little afraid, I was little anxious of failing, of being judged by people, that what kind of content I'm creating, and I'm not am I really adding any value to you guys? So, and that's just to escape those uncomfortable situations. I just took a pause for around a week, and have not posted any video. Although I really love to talk to you guys and add little value and bring little shine to your day. So today I'm back, and you know what has helped me today? Well, I was watching my previous videos, and I really thought that I have done a great deal in conveying and sharing my knowledge in those unfamous videos. But I know that I'm giving some value to the world, and it will be definitely be useful for most of you if you can really make use of it and bring it to your everyday, those practices and those tips to your daily lives. I have full faith. Somehow, as a human being, we tend to lose that spark at times, and kind of uh, doubt, self-doubt ourselves. But don't worry, I'm out of it now. I know I have that spark, and I am here to make a difference. So here I am back here with you, and I'm really enjoying this shoot with you. This is my first take, and I'm going to post it as it is, because this is coming straight from my heart. And I know many of us struggle every day. We get this spark, we get this idea, and then we try to work on it, and if things doesn't work out in one or two or three times, we tend to lose that spark, that energy, that motivation, and then we come down, and we lost it. Don't worry, you're not alone. It happens to everyone. It happened to me this last week also. And now I'm here again with you, because I know only people who will keep on, improving themselves. And yes, don't forget how far you have come. I think, and earlier when I was 1-2 years back, when I was thinking of sharing my knowledge with others, I was totally clueless how to do it. But today, at least I know, a good deal of it. And I think that was something that I was missing, celebrating myself, my small wins, that I have learned how to edit a video, how to even shoot a video, how to be in front of the camera. These are the little wins that I have achieved, and I forgot to look at them during the last week, I would say. And now when I saw my videos, and I saw, yeah, I did a really good work, and I just need to have some patience, and this knowledge will reach to people who really need it, and it will be all done in its own timing. So never I would say never underestimate your potential, and don't ever forget to appreciate from where you have come and how far you have come. You have n number of reasons. You have like hundreds and hundreds of reasons to be happy, to be joyful in this moment, because of the things and the gifts that you have in this moment, as well as the place from where you came from. And to this point, I can think of one, I think एक quotation है जो कहता है, एक saying है जो बोलता है कि you know, we can never change the starting, but we can take control now and we can change the ending. So, are you inspired to take some action and make your life more magical and abundant? Because I am. So, let's come start again.